Is 1450 euros for a perfume worth it? This is one of the most expensive fragrances I've ever laid my eyes on, let alone own. It is The Night by Frederic Malle. Why is it so expensive though? And is it even any good? Well, to answer your first question, I'm gonna have to get a little nerdy. This fragrance has one of the highest oud concentrations in the entire world. Oud comes from agarwood, which is the infected hardwood of Aquilaria trees. When the tree gets infected, often by a fungus, it produces a dark, resinous substance as a defense mechanism. And this is what we call oud. It sounds very nasty, I know. It is the opposite, however. It is one of my favorite ingredients in all of perfumery. You can imagine this is a very long and difficult process. As a result, oud is the most expensive ingredient in all of perfumery. In fact, oud is sometimes even called liquid gold. Not just because of the color, but because high quality oud can be worth more in weight than actual gold. Not all oud is the same. The two most common types are Cambodian oud and Indian oud. Cambodian is a lot sweeter and softer, whereas Indian is a lot stronger and more animalic. It's also much more expensive. Now guess which one is in The Night? Exactly, Indian. And it doesn't even stop there. The fragrance also has Turkish rose, amber, incense, and even saffron. But is it even good? To me, this is one of the most complex and interesting fragrances I've ever smelled. And I've been wearing it for a week straight now. However, it is not for everyone. It is very strong, powerful, and animalic. You have to like oud. That's something which I am very into. But if you aren't, this can be very overwhelming. So is it worth 1450 euros? For me, absolutely. For you, that depends. Only you can decide if the price tag is worth it for you. Would you ever spend that much money on a fragrance?